let me convert it to 15-minute time frame and also enable the moving average of 55 days. The first stock is Kotak Mahindra Bank and is Reliance Industry, and we have kept this stock as a bullish. Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video where we are going to discuss about markets, Nifty, Bank Nifty levels, and few stocks for tomorrow's trading session. So tomorrow is 13th October, and we have seen a good downside momentum on the 12th of October, that is today's trading session. But this is a Bank Nifty chart, so let's start with higher time frame like daily, and let's check on daily time frame. We have seen one bearish candle here, and this is like a spinning candle, but not exactly because the body is very much big, so we cannot say it is exactly. But importantly, it has placed near a previously resistance zone around 24,000, and 24,000 is also a round number resistance also. And we have seen some kind of price rejection on this area, so which is not a good sign for bulls. Okay, and let me convert this to the smaller time frame, let's say 15-minute time frame, and we have seen gap up opening, then markets heading towards downside till the end of the day. Okay, so let's mark the levels for tomorrow's trading session and converting this chart to the smaller time frame like 5 minute, and let me mark the levels for days high and low. So 24,190 is a high today's trading session, and let me mark the low, that is 23,552. Okay, so these are the high and low for tomorrow's trading session, and we can see if I can plot this 55 days moving average on a 15-minute time frame. So market is near to a support zone. Okay, and importantly, this low is exactly near to the previous day around 23,541, and today's trading session low is 23,550. So to 10-point difference is there. So basically, this low is very important for Bank Nifty. If it is breaks in tomorrow's trading session, then we will see some kind of downside momentum in Bank Nifty. That is quite possible if this low has been broken out, or yet this low has been broken out in next trading session. So that is very crucial because it is also near to a junction of moving average support also. So that need to be in your list. So I'm hiding this moving average right now, and let me mark the important area of support now. So this is the area of low is the support zone, and if I can say the proper support for the Bank Nifty. So let's take one simple retracement from this point, this low to this high, which is also near to this swing low 161%, around 23,150. We call it 23,150. This could be a possible good area of support for Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. Okay, and if I want to mark the level of resistance, so I can say this is an area here. Here the price has been rejected here and here also, and we have seen a good resistance here also, and then it has broken out on a morning session in the opening. So I'm going to mark this is the area. Okay, I would like to mark this is the area 23,900, which is a good area of price rejection has happened here so many times. So 23,900 is a resistance for Bank Nifty index spot price here. So these are the levels you can be in your watch list for tomorrow's trading session. Let me mark the Nifty index level. So let me convert this to the Nifty index. This is the daily chart of Nifty index, and here it's exactly a spinning candle at the top, which is not a good sign, and probably will be a reversal sign also. Once the high of this candle crossed in next trading session on a closing basis, then this candle will be negated. Okay, so that should be in your radar list also. So let me convert this to the 5-minute time frame to mark the appropriate levels. And let's start with marking the highs and lows of today's trading session. 12,222 is a high and 11,867.20 is the low of today's trading session. So if I want to mark the level for support, this could be a good area of price rejection from going downside. So that is the reason I'm going to mark this level here, this low. 11,790, round number is 11,800 is the appropriate area of support for Nifty index. Okay, and if I want to mark the level for the resistance, we have seen multiple time of price rejection here. This is the area first price rejected from going upside. Here is also area. So I'm going to mark this is the area for resistance because the price has been rejected many a times here. So 11,960 is the area of resistance for Nifty index for tomorrow's trading session. So these all are the 4 levels you can be watch list in your watch list for tomorrow's trading session. You can see in this image. So now let's discuss few stocks for tomorrow's trading session, and let me convert to the 15-minute time frame and also enable the moving average of 55 days. The first stock is Kotak Mahindra Bank, and we have seen this is a sideways zone and the stock is not sustaining above this moving average also, and this is area of resistance. So the price rejection has been here because this resistance has been broken out but price immediately going down. So if I convert to the daily time frame, and on a daily time frame we can also see price rejection has at the level of moving average resistance. So that is one reason. And if this stock breaking out this area of 1305 1305, if it is breaking out this level on tomorrow's trading session, is a good area to short sell on Kotak Mahindra Bank. So view is bearish if it is breaking 1305 level. Okay, and probable area of support may be this gap here. Okay, and keep your stop loss above this moving average high or somewhere this swing high around here. So this is the first of Kotak Mahindra Bank. View is bearish below 1305 level. Okay. The very next stock is Reliance Industry, and we have kept this stock as a bullish stock. If and the condition is if it is crossing around this resistance around 22,056. Okay, this could be an important area of breakout. I am marking this level 22,255. Okay, this is the area of resistance. If it is crossing this resistance in next trading session, is a clear-cut buy for this stock. Okay, keep your stop loss around this moving average value and hold this for this is the area of resistance here somewhere. You can see. So these are the 2 stocks you can watch for tomorrow's trading session. Kotak Mahindra Bank is for short sell and Reliance Industry as a buy above certain condition. And I hope you like this video and the way we analyze the levels for market and particular view for stocks. If you like this video, you can hit the like button and you can also subscribe to my channel and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.